Hello everyone and welcome to Ron TV Metro. We are at Ayala Malls Feliz. This is time zone. This won't be particularly a long video. So I am just waiting for some food. But I'll be going around the mall a little bit for you guys. It's a nice sunny day, although it is about 33 degrees Celsius. So very hot. Extremely hot. So this video might just be around 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes at the most. I want to show you some sights here at Ayala Feliz. Now when I was at SM, it's hard to see Eastwood City, so let me show you Eastwood City. On the sky. Oops, sorry. They're still on Zoom. I'll bring that down, back. So hot today, I'm not gonna even try to wait for the train. So, alright, let's go. Very windy today. So, it's a bit of a music, so we'll get through this quickly. This is the cinema section of the mall. So Gongcha is, I think, a milk tea place. Let me just show you the views outside here and then we will go down. See what we can see here. I don't get it. People bring dogs to the mall and then they don't bring it here. So that's weird enough. As you can see, it's so hot I can barely see anything in my monitor. So over there in the distance is Quezon City. Not sure if we can see anything. Barely see anything at all. Over here you got the chapel. Alright, let's go. It's so hot, I can't stay here long. I'm gonna melt. Okay, we're going down. I'm only gonna be exploring up to the 3rd floor because I'm at the 5th floor right now. So we're not gonna explore much today, but I do wanna get some video done while I'm here. Ah, finally they make this thing is running. Not sure what food this is, but yeehaw. Oh, that's a train. That is the LRT for you guys. Alright, sarap. Is that the side? They have a good skylight, so alright, I'm gonna find the places to end this video. Please do give it this video a like, share, and subscribe. Tanyang on this side. And this is where I'll be ending the video. do give this video a like, share, and subscribe again. And I hope you're having a great day. Bye bye, folks.